welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Self-Care Official, guys. So here I'm having two slices of fish here. Yes, two slices of fish here in water that I'm gonna prepare for meal. I don't have any vinegar. Yes, I don't have any vinegar at this time. So what I'm gonna do is to use some lime juice, right? You know lime juice helps to cut away the rawness as well. So I'm gonna pour some lime juice on it. Here it is. I'll let it for about 2 minutes or so to soak. Here is my fish fillet, guys, all washed in lime juice. Yes, ready for seasoning. So to go to the pot. Yes, guys, let me tell you about fish. Fish is healthy for our body. Yes, healthy for our cells. Yes, fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acid, which help all the cells in our body to function as they should. Omega-3 are concentrated in high levels in our cells, in our brains, and our eyes. So there you go, guys. Fish is very, very important for us all to eat, but we are to consume in moderation. Small, right? So you can eat fish twice per week or thrice, right? 2 times or 3 times per week in moderation. Don't eat a lot in one sitting. Dumping down, overeating, become obese, yes, or overweight. Got to eat in moderation, guys. So fish is healthy for our body, especially the brains and our eyes. Yes, guys. So eat up your fish. Eat up your fish, guys. So let's season our fish, guys. Let's season our fish. There is salt. Yeah. There is black pepper. Yes. Here we have Maggi, all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add a little to it as well. Yes. Not much, but a little, guys. Yes, that's it. So that's our season today for our fish. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna thumbs up next. Wait. Further preparation of our fish fillet here. Yeah. Here, guys, my fish are finished frying. Now I'm gonna add in my vegetables. There is all colorful vegetables. Yeah, that's my vegetable there, guys. Yeah, that's my veg. So there goes, guys, my fish finished fried, and these are my vegetable now cooking. After cooking, I will add in my fish. Yes. So I have pumpkin here, tomatoes, onion, garlic, peg garlic. We have thyme. Yeah. Yes. Don't want it spicy, guys. So that's how it is from now. Stay tuned, guys. This is what our vegetable look like, guys. This is what our vegetables look like. Wow, steaming. Awesomely steaming. Gonna add some ketchup now, guys. Some tomato ketchup. Yes, there it is. Tomato ketchup. Gonna add a little, not much. Yeah. Then we're gonna add in our fish, and this is our fish, guys. Our fish that fried before. So we add our fish in. Then we're gonna stir. Yes. Yeah. So these are pumpkin, guys. Wow, delicious. Look at it. Let me just put a little more water here. Yeah. Enough the water here. Look at it, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Gonna leave it now. So to simmer down, right? That's it. Let's cover back our pot. Wonderful. Already, guys. Already. Look at it, guys. Delicious. Delicious. Already. Already. Gonna serve with some white rice there. Nice, fluffy white rice and fish. This is the end product, guys, of my fish meal here. Yes, this is the fish meal accompanied with rice and plantain. Delicious meal, guys. Go ahead and try this meal. Delicious. Guys, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Guys, remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe. Yes, leave a comment, guys. Look at the fish, guys. Yummy, delicious fish it is. Yeah. Enjoy.